Park the brigade car on smooth and solid ground, never on slope ground. Take out a 2-in-1 electric jack, electric impact range, the power cable, gloves and socket adapters. In one set of plastic case, there is with warning sign, so put it in the back of your car more than 15 meters. Remind the passing cars to pay more attention to the safety. Connect the power plug into the car cigar lighter. Make sure the car in the state of charged. The pilot lamp would be on. If the car cigar lighter is broken, it couldn't get power. Then we prepare the battery clamp connecting cable for you, and you could get the power from the car battery direct instead of the car cigar lighter. When connecting with car battery, please pay more attention to connect the correct positive and negative charges. Connect another end of the power cable to the power joint of jack tightly. When the blinking lights are on, which shows it's charged. According to different vehicles, adjust the adjustable screw of the jack to one suitable height. As for the vehicle instruction request, ensure the center of pressure load to align the loading part of automobile chassis. We designed with super bright LED light, 84 night illumination. Adjust the function switch to left, the direction switch to up. Then the jack will start to lift. Till the distance between the tire and the ground is about 20 millimeters. Stop lifting. Take out the spare tire. Put it under the vehicle first to prevent the accident happening. Pull out one end of power cable from the jack. Then connect it to the bottom end of electric impact wrench tightly. Choose the suitable socket to the wrench shaft. Make sure the socket and tire knot tight connection. Press the left side of the switch to unscrew each nut. When unscrewing the last nut, place tension to prevent the tire slipping suddenly. Put on the spare tire. Screw the nuts manually first. Press the right side of the switch to tighten the nuts. It would be enough after 3 times of clear sound. And in the principle of taking a lock nut, lock each nut. Take out one end of power cable from electric impact wrench and connect it back to the jack. Press the function switch to lift, the direction switch to down. Then the car will be slowly falling down. If coming across happenstance, for example, out of energy for car battery or circuit fault causing the motor couldn't work, then we could fall down it manually by adjusting the safety valve. Just remove the rubber head of safety valve. Loose the safety valve with 6-angle spanner and rotate about half circle in the direction of loose. The car will be slowly falling down. Then tighten the safety valve with 6-angle spanner in the direction of tight. Another function of 2-in-1 electric jack is inflating function. Open the right cover and get out the air hose. Tighten the front end of the air hose with a tire wipe. Then check the pressure gauge. If the pressure of the spare tire is not enough, adjust the function switch to inflate. Then the jug will start to inflate the tire. In summer, the pressure is enough up to 2.2 bar. In winter, it should be 2.5 bar. Our jug could inflate basketball, football, and other kinds of balls. Also available for iron bike, lifeboat, rubber ducky, bicycle, motorcycle, and other inflatable tools. We stick 3 pieces of anti-slip types on one set of plastic toothcase, so it's with anti-slip function. Now, introduce how to change the fuse. Screw the nut of the height of the power cable connector. Get out the inner fuse. Then put into one new fuse from the plastic toothcase. Put back the connector and tighten the nut. Next, introduce the safety hammer. We have to dig out each from the plastic toothcase. Keep it in the car in case of need. One end of the safety hammer with blade. In any emergency, cut off the safety belt with it. While remove the rubber pipe in another end of the safety hammer, the sharp part of it could break the window to escape.